مدير؟
لا في دواء.
دواء.
ايوه.
ايوه هذا دواء حق ايش؟
لا هذا السكر هذا الدواء.
هذا حق سكر.
اي.
طيب كيف طريقه؟
طريقه هذا في سيل هذا.
حلو. اي.
السيل بعدين تحت.
تحت.
أيوة.
يلبس.
كلين بعدين تحت بعدين ساكس.
ساكس اللي هو شراب.
اي.
اوكي.
بعدين ما يسار على طول كده بعدين هذا يجيب 100 سكر.
طيب انت كم ساعة يلبس؟ How many hours you wear? How many hours you are wear?
This one?
Yeah.
1 week.
1 week.
Yeah.
But how many hours? Every day.
Every day.
How many hours?
One day within 1 hour.
Every 1 day 1 hour.
Yes.
You will wear it then.
Yeah.
Clean your food.
Yes.
Okay. For sugar, huh?
Yes.
Use it for 1 month.
Yes. After 1 month.
Okay. هذه طبعا الشجرة. هذه زي اللي بالتمامة. اوكي ثانك يو. العامل هذا جاي يقطع منها. ايش عندك؟ هذه نستخدمها للسكة. يعني يقول نغسل الورق، يلبس الورق على كمون رجوله، وبعد طال عمرك يلبس الشراب، يقول ينام أو يمشي عليه عادي. يقول استخدمها يوميا مدة ساعة.
Green leaves kills your diabetes naturally. Are you fed up with treatment and daily medicines? Then go with these amazing leaves. You will get amazed with results. How to make medicine? No need to eat, no need to drink its juice. Just touch your foot palm. Yes, it is true. A different remedy for you to treat your diabetes. For this we need 2 fresh oak leaves. Process to follow. Take 2 full leaves of oak plant. Turn opposite side, that is back side of the leaf. Place leaf under your socks to touch foot palm like shown in video. Make sure that leaf backside touching your foot palm. Place another leaf to the other leg in same process and wear socks. Allow these leaves to stay full day under your feet. Remove before going to bed and clean your legs. Repeat this process for 1 week with new leaves. After 1 week, check your blood sugar level. You will be amazed. Repeat the process with new leaves for a week. Precautions for oak leaves. The milk oozing from oak leaves are poisonous. Don't allow it to go inside your eyes, otherwise it can damage your sight. It should not be used during pregnancy and lactation time. If you are diabetic patient or fed up of unhealthy body, then must give it a try. Take care and live well.